Show you something that we made from Harbor Freight. Got a motorcycle stamp from Harbor Freight, about, I think it was $34, and a furniture mover that was $12. See, it raises it up about a ½ an inch off the ground. But we can roll the bikes around the shop now, get them out of the way. Pretty handy. I did go to Home Depot, get some clamps, clamp it down. I think it was $1.88. So all in all, maybe 45, 50 bucks for the whole setup. Works pretty well. And probably we'll end up making another one. I don't know how well it's going to work on big bikes. This is an 85 Yamaha. I know it works well on the 110. But easy to get the stuff around the shop.